Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video will be talking about flow coating, what it is, how to do it, and why it's done. Let's begin. Okay, real quick, these doors have been drying for about a week. We're gonna be doing a flow coat. What's a flow coat? A flow coat is you're gonna be adding some more clear, but you're gonna be eliminating the orange peel that the paint job that you applied has. How are you gonna do that? Well, let me show you. Right now it looks real nice, real shiny, but we're gonna make it even better. The sandpaper I'm going to be using is going to be 600 grit with the DA, and it has to have an interface pad right there, and it has to be a new interface pad. Very important, has to be new. There it is. I got my 600 grit sandpaper on the DA. Let's start sanding now. Regarding the rotation, the revolutions, it's going to be real slow, not too slow that the DA is gonna stop. It's just gonna be slow. Do not go full speed on it. You're gonna burn through and it's gonna create a big mess. And why are you doing a flow coat? What is it? What you're doing, you're eliminating all the orange peel, putting the surface as flat as possible, and you're gonna be adding some more clear coat. This time around it's going to be reduced like about 5 to 10%. The clear coat is going to be reduced about 5 to 10%, and it's going to lay that clear real smooth, real flat, and you're not going to need to be doing a cut and buff. This is going to be the finish, and it's going to come out real nice. It comes out really nice. They usually use it for show cars. That's how they get those real nice mirror finish shines. So let me show you how I'm gonna do it and what it's doing. Right there, as you saw, the revolutions aren't that fast, and I'm trying to eliminate all of that, all that orange peel, all these little dirt nibs, trying to leave it like this, as flat as possible. I'm just going slow, going at a soft, slow pace, and I'm gonna do the whole door just like that. There you go, nice flat. This is what we're looking for. All the little dirt nibs that it might have had, they're gone. All the orange peel is gone. Looking good. Now I'm gonna finish the bottom part. I already did that door. I'm gonna finish the bottom part, finish it up, hang them and re-clear them. I'm gonna show you how to re-clear them also. Here we are. They're covered. They're nice, they're clean. The gun I'm going to be using for that clear is going to be the clear gun from SATA 5500 with a 1.3 tip. So let's just mix up the clear. Start applying that clear. The clear I have been using for this project is the Glamour Clear from Eurochem, the UC210 with a slow activator or hardener, whatever you're going to call it. Right now it's 95 degrees in here. It's 95, so we need a slow activator. Let's just mix it up. The reducer that I'm going to be applying also is going to be from Eurochem. So I'm just going to add like 5 to 10% reducer. I'm not going to add that much. It's just for that clear to flow. Here is the first coat of the flow coat, and as you can see, smooth, real straight, nice. All the orange peel is gone. I'm just going to be applying 2 coats. This is the first one. I'm just going to be applying 1 more, and that is it. That is enough clear. It has 3 coats of clear. Where it had 4 coats, I sanded 1 down with sanding for the flow coat. This is going to be so I'm left with 3 coats, and I'm going to be applying 2 more, so it's going to have 5 coats of clear in total, which it's good for the life of the car. I'm going to wait 15 minutes exactly, then come back, finish it off. There you go. After the 2 coats of clear, there it is. And that is what is called a float coat, guys. Now there's no orange peel. Nice, smooth, beautiful. And this way you can just skip the buffing stage. If the owner wants to buff it, it has around 5 coats of clear, which it's more than enough, but you don't need to. You do not need to. And this will be it, guys. This will be it as to how to flow coat. Thank you very much, guys. Hit that thumbs up. Like the video, share the video if you found this video interesting, and just hit the thumbs up, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you next weekend. I'll see you this coming Wednesday also. Stay safe and have a great weekend. Thank you, and like always, God bless.